Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into Walmart to get some great deals. In this Walmart haul you'll be seeing they paid me actually to buy all these items, plus it was a $2 moneymaker. If you are not already signed up for my Instagram, TikTok, or my Facebook pages, go ahead and check those out. They're all Praising and Saving, same name as my YouTube channel. Also, hit that notification bell to all and subscribe to my channel so you know when all my videos are going to be popping up. The first deal I'm bringing to you guys is a Shopkick deal. I have a lot of Shopkick deals in this haul today. There's only a couple IBOTTA. This was actually going to be a moneymaker deal. So what you're going to do is pick up one of the Tresemmé trial size shampoos or conditioner. You're going to pick up one of those for $1.56. You're going to go over to Shopkicks and submit the Shopkicks for equivalent of $2.80 in Shopkicks, which makes this a $1.24 moneymaker. So great deal on the Tresemmé shampoo, making it a $1.24 moneymaker. The next deal is also on a travel size. So this is the Vaseline tubs. They are $1.77. You're going to submit to Shopkicks with an equivalent of $1.10 in Shopkicks, making these tubs just 67 cents each. This is another Shopkicks deal, but you're going to do a deal on the red tub of Pond's cold cream for $1.56, and then you're going to pick up the tub of the blue Pond's cold cream. There's also another deal on Shopkicks for the light blue Pond's cold cream, but they don't have that in the travel section. So pick up both of them. There are two different offers for you. So you're going to pick up one of them at $1.56. Submit to Shopkicks for an equivalent of $1.60 in Shopkicks, making this a 4-cent moneymaker. You're going to do the exact same thing on the blue tub. So you'll be able to do both of them and make 4 cents off both tubs of Pond's travel size cold cream. Alright, the next Shopkicks deal is on this Dove Travel Body Wash. These are $1.73 each. You're going to submit to Shopkicks for an equivalent of 80 cents on this Travel Dove Body Wash, making these just 93 cents after the Shopkicks rebate. There are many layers to this Axe body wash and the Axe spray. So I really need you guys to follow all the pieces to this, and this is going to make these money makers when we're done. So you can either pick up the Axe body wash for $4.97 or the other Axe natural body wash for $5.97. And then you're going to pick up the Axe spray for $5.78. So what I did was I picked up the Axe natural, those orange and blue ones, for $5.97, and then the Axe spray for $5.78. You can then use both of these coupons. You can use a buy one get one free coupon on the Axe spray, and then you'll get the Axe spray for free because of that coupon. But then you can also use the $2 coupon for the Axe Body Wash Natural. Using both of these coupons, the total for the two products goes down to $3.97. But there's more. Then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $1 back, making this $2.97. But there's still some more. Then you're going to head on over to Shopkicks and submit for both of them. It's an equivalent on Shopkicks for $2.38 each. So $2.38 on the body spray and $2.38 on the body wash. So now we're at $1.79 in moneymakers. All right, last but not least, do not forget to head on over to Fetch and submit your receipt for 3,000 Fetch rewards or $3, making this a grand total of $4.79 in a moneymaker. Wow, there was a lot of steps to that, but I will take $4.79 in a moneymaker any day. All right, next thing is not a moneymaker, but these Fancy Feast Petites are going to be 34 cents each after the coupon and also the Shopkicks rebate. So you're going to pick up 4 of these at 98 cents each. The total is going to be $3.92. You're going to use these $2 coupons that came out in the Save 3/6 paper. That's going to bring our total down to $1.92. Then you're going to submit to Shopkick for an equivalent of about 58 cents in Shopkicks, making these just $1.34 or 34 cents each. Alright, this is a huge money maker on the big razors. These are the Comfort razors. They are $2.98 each. We have this $4 coupon that came out recently, and this will make these $1.02 money maker. Now, I've gotten several messages about this coupon because people said they took it to Walmart, tried to use it, and the people at the register wouldn't let them use it unless it was the razor in the picture. This is not true because it listed in the description. It could be the razor in the picture, the Comfort 3, or another one of the big Soleil Smooths. If that happens to you, I'm telling you, I would just go to a different register or go to the Walmart at a different time because it's just the person not wanting to use it. Now, whenever I went to the Walmart to use this coupon, I didn't even need a manager or a customer service person. It just scanned for me automatically. So no problem whatsoever on this razor. And I actually had 15 of these razors. So I was able, 15 of these coupons, so I was able to get 15 of these razors. So that was a money maker of $15.30. So I was really excited about that. One of my favorite things to do is to leave coupons for people when I know I'm not going to be using the coupons or I'm not one that buys that product, because we get so many coupons that we don't use. So I'm not going to get these razors, and this coupon was for $1 off. So I just left a whole stack of coupons for someone else. So it's nice to be a coupon fairy to people. So if you ever have leftover coupons that you're not using, just leave them for someone. Okay, the next deal is on these Blue Bunny twist cones. These are $4.78. You can get this 75-cent coupon from the Blue Bunny website. You just need to sign up for the emails and they'll email it to you. I suggest you do that. After you use the 75-cent coupon, it brings the total down to $4.03. Then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $1.25, and then over to Shopkicks for an equivalent of $1.26. After the coupon, IBOTTA, and Shopkick rebates, it's going to bring the total down to $1.52. The good thing about this Shopkick rebate on these twist cones is you can do the strawberry, the chocolate, I think it's a cookie dough. My store only had the strawberry, but you can do it on all 3 different flavors. $1.52 each.